Mafia. Then na NPP lose election. Adeɛ na ye kwasiada. Meboa, na ye kwasiada. Adeɛ change wada no. Na wo wabre. Etimini jebi. Ena na ye te ha. Ena ye kan say NPP for say doom so beba just a day after Mahama they lost the elections. Just a day after they had lost the elections. That time na that year konja so. And I'm afraid ECG4 meeting. I'm telling you today. And I'm afraid ECG meeting. FA Gridco, FA VRA. So between now and 7 December, January, so mun nimna kaniya duma. Mo bete poke. Mo bisa ECG for some bwana. ECG penny for you na they were called. Ena, wo mo kacha ECG for say if it's amre ko 7th January. Se munnim na kaniya ni duma ade ebeye mo. Ena ECG for na koyi wo account mu sika edidi mirika fechere efidie we asaye say munyen say na de njina so na kaniya njina so on frɛ VR4 on frɛ Gridco4 se Ghana for bekaya 2nd January 2025 ena branche na owo kumase oye NPP spokes communicators na baako owodi bi e de frɛ no mira finidi na ase onya kokora no oh ayi akando ana poyando ese NDC abai die tum so ebeba ose NDC abai die dum so be dey ebeba Justin Kodia oye NPP General Secretary say ye kan mo kan the time me Justin Kodia say ye kan say NDC ba power dum so beba Mafia Mahama winning election when ye catch and say kewo ye was strategic institutions bi wo krom ha me ye Ghana mampedi and na wo to abama me ECG top hierarchy na mepa mo bia member of fine package jikofie fabi koye treasury bill fabi top bond me nyi wadi sa na wonko nkobre wo ye Ghana ni de wo deserve ni kakra ni jeko mu na obi a be jeko wo gia na woko memma osika bum memma wako hwe me ye Ghana mampani ne mo se mu GF no e association wo boa me ye Ghana mampani wo boa enya association hwe Black Stars lusu matcha na president bi ani ma ye yo na mbetra o se GF ya association me ye Ghana mampani na o be ya association ba ye be hu nipa obeti ya aye GF president. I'm telling you today, this is Africa. This is not UK. Sabit was na VRA. Na be president. Na VRA boss na mbeto no that ho mema usika jeko na command wo meja kwan fefe Gridco penny afena jomama be pam Gridco. We sat here with JB and told you that there are certain state institutions at John pam nkrofo wo went here NDC for our chroma started can say, hey, and Crawford war more parts in the mono. They qualify. If not more, what will qualify for a chain where to one. And to Shana Yahubi. When I have father for all, Professor Messi brought back where we and I appointed ministers, Mafia Okroma. Me catch was a Monday morning show, them starting there. And the ministers no sorry aba. My coordinating director is doing well. My director is doing so very well because coordinating director and director ma will be quiet. Man, in 50,000 Ghana since officer we are seeing now. Oh boy, in 1 year. We got to react after 1 year. My director is doing well. My director is doing well. Brofu say ya. Wow. So what is a minister catch us say? Ne coordinator or better on a dada, and director or better on a dada or buane pa esika. Esika. Mafia, there's one ministry you have been modi. One ni pada there wo hodi jiji sika ma minister na kwaba. What's it ho? What's it ho? Ejwayefo na wo hoda da na minister. See, politics wrong. If you are not realist, you can't survive. What you said Donald Trump? Sabe ufi say onimi answer. Ufi say Donald Trump onimi answer. So a man of pa. So on Iran, back on Tokwa. Mafia. Your friend is saying Israel won't any Iran. Sana Israel for the Iran, one from Iran. Sankro for one, they were very good friends too. Israel and Iran. They were very, 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 very good friends. But when the existential tendencies set in, Iran wanted to survive. Israel also wanted to survive. Israelis were Americans. So when the existential tendencies showed its ugly face, Israel said, no, we have severed that cordial relationship that exists between us. From today on, you are our enemy. Pakistan, you are our enemy. Who is Ghana's enemy? And so you say your enemy. How I wish I were the president. Countries in you are Obuakura. Uko Ratogo says yes for Kalantebra. Ura Burkina Kodijua, Yasi Fasebra, Ura Hayasi Yesebra. But Womube Ragana, they come to this country free. Oh, me president today. We are letting you know Jimmy or Kaswa. Yet the Homaba Church will 9 1 sir, and what to come out from Buhari. And look, I'm not joking, and it will happen. Hey, you want to vote for me? You will see. And the ministries. Now we are minister the Sika na Kwaba. Say no me muntaka and on pepiana no me chinchinga pampers. Mokai chinchinga pampers. Ha NDC4 Miami Party 4 Mama Madrinya Juma. Mama Madrinya Juma. Mafia, you will subai bia a war a before why na a yame time. Oh, ya pebe more Joe. Sabia kwai Jimmy by a sword. Na ya tama baya onumi nyansa. Edna koma obia yesi ojo bapadino sabio obuni eni de kwanso wa Jimmy. Ba yesi ojo. Ne ya tamno ne ya dinamano. Ne ya se Felix eni ma pe dia oti ante na akoko wo soro. So no de ye mfa ne ma no. Na de ojo no. Se na ojo e wa ni so. Na abaya yi koya na obrim no. Abaya yi koya the same abranche na yesi ojo no. Se na ni nsechi edin ojo na kuma mu ojo ani so na mom e ba ni sika sam de a onyo ono so to say Felix. Nsechi edin chen wu. Eti ya we say we are liberalist. Ya we say we are idealist. And yet Ghana. And let me sit here, Mafia. Let me tell you today, me president today, I don't believe in idealism. president today, I'll be a realist president. Because a bit of them amembo sabotage account. Bavia, a bit of amembo. Now, say, we are what they say. One tears here. Now, what I would do to say, John Mahama, the PR president, I do something. And today, I want to speak to my president, the gentleman that I love. Your Excellency. Man, yeah, what's up? What I would do. So why what's now if you want to be a liberalist, an idealist, what that's now? What that's now? So far no. What that's now? Eti Omampani dada Rollins oye NDC kofare by na menim se we baba be frem kamema producer here boko we kire o muntie na munye de America no akamema producer bo Rollins can say me kire NDC for say this same NPP that you are dealing with they will never change. You remember that video? Rollins in the Fourth Republic, or the pioneer of the Fourth Republic. And I'll catch NDC for say, say NPP for Yamuhui, once a son net, once a sack. But if Papa Bio, your friend Niccolo Machiavelli. Now, maybe I think 2016 and not 2015, either 15 or 16. A year Sofipedi Mesa Otabil. A year press conference. Or year press conference, no, or Kasembi said that time, Abaina no was no, were adopted Machiavellian tactics. And what's the assassin so? Now, one team Machiavellian principles are here. The be any part was second begananka. Your papa Machiavellian or one Machiavelli. Befia or true book be a friend the prince. I think I need to get you a copy of that book to read. And when you finish reading that book, Ubati said a nipa dream or pretty assay. If you me the assemblyman me say nyamia ya madom me the assemblyman hey position bi a to so aba say nyamia wadom ne to so aba ne ma na won saka umpo ho ban you need to cherish it. Your papa be a friend of Thomas Hobbes. Okay. Mafia, I just want to read. And the man kitten. Said ya beya nipa betin near me be ase. If you say one two who was here, say me two was a see Gabby bet me as sabotage me. And two guys, Gabby to one me jindi. Say about the dream me ya be ma me sakoma no. And yes what time Gabby in time. But my year projection, my trimanjuna kwanimu, say obeti ya mboni. Eni pa bi e komde ni bi ya no, oye nkwase ade. It is a part to be a co-positioner or shall say young Kwasiade. Because I come to one. cause to me ede to me nyanyono to me ede na say it was a say America I say ninka for amaya hodo dinkama American adamfunie oboa America oni adamfo say o for adamfo a no wode o hwehwe etimi ti we mini adamfo obi oni mbia nim say I don't have a friend eminko bi fie me to yi minko bi fie o ba me fie dia fine wo ba so ba jimi ame won kraman be wo ba ma so mama ya bo if you say nipa bi onam asase so no adwembone wo ditirim eti ye nyine no a company for 2 yen for say intesuo kokko awo bi anum. Meanwhile, saliva eye intesuo na wo yanim no enye kokko woni de ente o ka se intesuo kokko wo nipa num nipa bi ane tekrama aso kokko ti sa tekrama so nye ko a na che se wanum kura ya babon asem adwembone wo tirim na se ya nye kefla ya ho beche. And today I came to speak to my president. Mefia and Tokabi Konso asasi suwo 431 to 404 BC. Peloponnesian War. Eyeko me fa unko school anope. Ba de etie ne say abrante bi wo Bible ma na ne papa yo ohene e friend Saul ena na dan for pastor ni David bi sa wo say den ti the man Saul na ne ba ni Jonathan no anamwa Saul na ne ba ni Jonathan no aha eye den ena Saul and the bani Jonathan. That Jonathan a done for ni David. But papa ni say all time David. What do you want? You were branching your Bible, my friend Mephibosheth. Bible say on 39:40 we bubu 39 master Gyamfi no so hwe na hwe me na di machi. Ya say hunu no 39:40 we bubu oya chacha. Mephibosheth. Bible say, David, wabubu. Na Mephibosheth na wapra. Na wakademu no. Mafia ye dinani. Ah, enti Adam tiwe oyare wabre ekom de no. Ni fie retunu. Na ya sanso afre se wa madwuma nti ye yinadi. What did you say to me? Yes, sir. Adam yare. Oh yes, he can't put what to do. Now so when to me a phone and friendly, so we yeah, Juma, I will compare him. Now we are first question. The busa on the say, I don't know one friend. Let's me trash here. So many swim bring me trash here. What it means is that company being who are doing work a I'm telling you, we are seeing away. Company be near Sasi Swa or drinking Nipo Yemwe Juma. UN, on UN General Secretary. WHO, on drinking one way church, I know. A dear company be at the home, say, ya shall say Mr. X, Mr. Y. And so we are Juma way, now we do way back home. We am from my, it's so fair, so say what otia, say woni yansa, say what say company be you wedi. Why? Because nipa biara wa asase so no. Say the open no onyaya. Wan sha omo bia so nya. Eti mpanifo kura ka say etoda wa ma wo yonko ntwa nkwa. Eti na che say de bia no obi pese okokoduru baabi. But what you said, you be ya be kasa wo ye ni papa panti. Hwe ni papa yo e relative, ye sheda. Say we ye ni papa, we ye ni papa, we ye ni papa, we ye ni papa, baby. Ye sheda. A strategy. It is a who say obi do gidi. I question the rationale behind it. Because I don't know where to Ricardo. I believe, sir, Debbie Amikacho said, Probina Dono. Yes, I still stand by that. But any love without caution is stupidity. Let me repeat that. Mimi tu emi yon yankopon. If you atago yon yankopon. So any love without caution is stupidity. And kwanya ye faswa ye buma inie. Won tra ho ndi agro. Na wo manipa kwan ento won twene. Na enipa no mfa wo nya bibi na on sheda mesai wudin. And your excellency obuoni ani die kwan so wa ma ho kwan dodo. Mafia sa me can say is it glory or what? And na ye to abawie ya goodwill and NDC enjoy no. Say metimi aka catch us 60% to call because of Kania na e sha say edudum just in 2 weeks. 60% of the goodwill ko. Afena mo kopam Greco. When I told you from day one, NPP wahu, the energy mix from generation to whatever to distribution, IECG yeno. Obi chabi the NPP produce okrum ha. I am challenging Ghana for now listen to me and listen good. John, this is why I want you to think like a realist. Contractor be on this Sikama party be about power. Who got the name about Uska? Of a contract. Mewa. When the for the Christmas or Ghana ha? Sir, Miss Editor party for the complaining. Say you buy a hungry, that yo, the entire party for the complaining say it's a realist approach to issues. Time now someone see you know, number one position no, what do my whole day when you yam will sika or modern war and the piano be demon penny. It is a way they are fit, no abro. That's a common net den no. And that dinner realist approach. Yet yes, Adam Fubia was as a conditional. Obi any ho or what Adam for a year unconditional. Obi or one Ninianum, a yinama. Ninianum, a yinamba. Ninianum, ye number, yano, and Bakra Munchan Sammy and Quay. They watch on another day. Many abrio this week obi anjejimio e makura twa no akire why white yenko tie obi o hwa de enti a oni obi aya adamfo ambafia oni na ka tare mu bam ene se ni nua no mo no mfiri maame kro ne papa kro eyina ma nti no hwe obi a obefa nse ni nua enti wa mefo adamfo se ho ofe openua. And that is why Abraham who nyansa say aware ewawieye eti me ankasa me ye agya no me ma me baba ma na ye friend Isaac ni nkonkopo obi ma eti wo akoa na me no tifie no wo kope ba yere ebra me ba Isaac abaya ne ba no obagimi amakasa ye wo na kope ne ba enti madam did you kofa oba na chi eti Abraham Isaac wansi oba peda Bible no he na Isaac si oba pe adenti na Abraham ama ne ba na ko he oba because Isaac ko yes sir Isaac either so be a liberalist or a real or an idealist emwa Abraham akwantuo efise ono otene papa terra fie ne papa terra oya bosomfo ye de nsa enam enwan mponche nantwie ema ebegu fie ho eti Abraham hu se de ema ate ohun se de nipa ete ohun se de mmerema ete ohun se de nkwakrafo ete Abraham hu se de mmerewa ete eti Isaac yini pa no say hey sit here unko ba bia nkwasi obi ape no wa comment wo ho unko ba bia nkwasi obi ape he ye tiasa so ye nyon Nyankopon meme to mi nyame na mafia Nyankopon kura no edu ba bi no ka se wanu ne ho se obo nipa. What are you talking about? Na ye to abamao be DMP, ye to abamao be minister, ye to abamao the DCE, ye to abamao ye president, ye to abamao ye vice president. Na mo to na mu di agro. Who did ni pay di agro? You have no idea what is happening. It's Abraham na starting realism. And I say, hey Isaac, but baby it's not the Efi Isaac isono said you Emra Jacob ye na dwe so akwa ware no ye ne bukata ana ni Bible Abraham hwe ne ba Isaac anim no say he kwa no tum me ba tena say Isaac wo ofedodo me ko he oba mrew mun ko pa oba bra me ba Isaac ha Dudu nyina ja deba wantimi am paradigm ma mesa e ma me chekche wo mo ho no wanyi bi dabi o se akoa tienie ne servant ene konkope oba Isaac be ware no abrantie ne ko na okopa oba bra Isaac no okofa oba ya friend Rebecca ni di chese nantwie ba Rebecca se chere nantwie ba eno kopa nantwie ba Ebra Isaac akayeye no dwan na wanya anya odwan yamfa na ma afode ekwa animu no abranche bi kwa akoware ne di je ko bana ye de ma bienu wokoya wujaf ono nko na Owusu ban papa ono nko na okoda ne ho adi se ojo fanboy meme de ma be no de mo be ye bibia no me ye de mo be ke biara me se sa nwom no me ntu bi da na mawu ya wanwum ya Pentecost aya yeto e me tancha nwum ya Gyamfi ahwe abawi ase na yamfa ahwe so nko onu ada se ni ehihye wadam di wo soro obi ahihye na adam di wo soro be han dan wan dan na be han na enkrofo bi a ekom di won wa be o minim so mbo base ambara adam di wo soro mini ada se ni adam di wo soro asare wo soro are wo soro oni ada se ni adam di we se adam di wo he Pentecost ye si aso dan kase se ye si new headquarters what was so adam di wo soro ada na headquarters ni Nyankopon sani fa ho Pentecost ye si prison say JB Jimmy en fa nkotum ada na enkwasi prison wo heaven aya hu bobra be real and stop the joke Jacob was a wine no okoya. Wamfa Abraham strategy ni bi. Cause akwa bia kopa dia mani wura. Ayo no hwe ye. Cause akwa bia person onya nyonyam oni wura nim. Enti no akwa ne kopa ba bre Isaac no opoba papa ye friend Rebecca ye nantwie ba na bre no. But tia Jacob ko yi nanim so ne na ne hodwo. Me na me be ma wo ye be ma me kan ho asem. Jo be do be ba. Me mbo din dia ye ne dia be ba be fa ena abrantie kwaji nani so liberalist idealist otwa sa ye dia abaya ne bre no bafia ne ye ne bukata ye de oba foforo ena abre no ye sama be ma we esan kosom enfie porepore enson asoba ohwe no onya no jomama ya mo wakotena opposition enfie nine job Jacob sadai wasaba wo yam ya san de oba foforo ya gbunuma ya fe abedada John hebefia asase so ewe wo bo ho modern pe mane nko tim so obi atan tim mi to obi atane mi free kumasi bo tu for frame menhia de nsabo bo machi de bodu afita bo machi sako na bedi nkunim e hona na ba mi tim na otu fa cha mi fense kentekreti e pia no se e cha fa cha bra wo ko no so ya mane mba otirim se obi ano asema kentekreti ka kire me no wo ko no so mane mba otirim so obi ano na bo bra ye na wo ko no so wo nko hepo asante hepo na etenya punti na wo kwa akɔhɛ se pokura na wo kwa akɔhɛ anka wo fa evi infante nka wo hu pu ansa wo ba kuma se enko nko hepo kɔda kɔbɔbra timi bank rai no na wo mitirim se ni pe bia mpemasem ena ma me survive here nanka coffee shop mafia komenya me bo man timi cause na wo mitirim so o motame timi so me di kan tan wo mitirim na kaede na kwara ketu amaba mbebobra mo frɛ no cantonment ho mo den ho na mo frɛ me na mama me dot babodam ha ama forget abejira ho point 1 wuni me point 1 Pentecost akwada me no nsada mo hwie nsa gu glass im fana no me no dai Why was that coffee shop mafia da gu? Me na me gu no. Wa ba ma so be tribium. John, Befia, now let me go to the main issue. Na me person ni pattern near maybe I say. E kira metro realism ase. Eso. Now one lecture with UPSA. Dr. Bota. Chi yen trans e ni patre. O kira de no wie no na adwemboni abamtirim. Madam Kachero. Adwemboni aba mitrim ni say, e so man bi akachi na Ghana yeye. That was that adwemboni aba mitrim. So if these are the precepts and the prefaces of realism, then Ghana must become the powerful nation in Africa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.